Number 29, I'm going to play the notes and I'm going to play them at a loud dynamic, but it's suggested here that you write in your own dynamics and then play what you've written. Now this is a little different in that the first note, two notes, start on the up bow. So this is called, and it's only one beat. This is called a pickup. So two pickups into the down beat, which is the F sharp. So it's like this. I count to myself, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So that's how I'll introduce it to you. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and you play on 4. Here we go. Put your bow in the middle or just past the middle for the two up bows. 1, 2, 3.